Global Nerve Regeneration Market Report, forecasted 2024. Global nerve regeneration market is estimated to be valued at United States dollars $12.69 billion by 2024 and is projected to register a CAGR of 11.34% during the forecast period. Based on the product, the neurostimulation and neuromodulation devices segment accounted for the largest market share of United States dollars $4.76 billion in 2018. Based on end user, the hospitals and clinics segment dominated the market and projected to register the highest CAGR of 11.62% during the forecast period. In terms of region, Japan held a market share of 25.78% in the Asia-Pacific nerve regeneration market in 2018. Cordially fill in sample request for more details.